హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం proell గవర్నర్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూద్దాం. A proell governor has equal arms of length 300 mm. The upper and lower ends of the arms are pivoted on the axis of the governor. The extension arms of the lower links are each 80 mm long and parallel to the axis when the radii of rotation of the balls are 150 mm and 200 mm. The mass of each ball is 10 kg and the mass of the central load is 100 kg. So determine the range of speed of the governor. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, we are going to how to solve this problem in proell governor. Now look at here, solution given. Okay, first of all we are going to draw the axis line. And then we are going to fix one point in here, one point in here. Okay, this is coming from ball, this is point B, and the force, centrifugal force, is acting on this FC. Now then here is having something M into GW, and this is called point F. Point F. This is the center point. F is called center point, and here is G. From center point we are going to take one link, so this is called P, and then this angle is alpha. Now here to here height is called H. Okay, now similarly we are going to take another line like this one called D, and now this is capital W by 2, so I'm going to write directly capital M into G by 2. Okay, now this line will project straightly and this is going to horizontal, so here is intersecting, that point is called I. This is called instantaneous method, and then this is called M. Okay, so this is same, this is same, so here is angle alpha, and then now this angle is called beta, so then this is also come to beta. Okay, and here to here height is given, that is coming from 80 is given, yes, 80 is given, and then they take this one is called H1, and now this link is going to 300, and similarly this link also having 300. Okay, so this is a minimum position. This diagram is called a minimum position. Now we are going to see maximum position. Okay, so here I would like to say this is the 150, that's the minimum. F to G distance is called here is 150. Okay, and now we are going to see maximum position. So I take here some more distance is increased in here. This is 200. Okay, F and G. Look at here, F G distance is 150 in here, and now here F G distance is 200. So this is for maximum distance, and remaining all those things are same. So this is B, and this is small mg. This is called pivot, and link is 300, and this is alpha 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is alpha 2, and then here is come to the point is called D. We know very well W, capital W, so that is equal to capital M G by 2. Okay, now this link is also called 300. We are going to apply instantaneous. So this is I, and this is M, this is beta 2. Why? Because here is also having beta 2, and this is alpha 2. Now here to here height is called H2. Now this height is same, 80. Okay, this height is same, 80, and now this is the centrifugal force is acting on this body, so that is called Fc. Okay, and now I'm going to write the data, all those data in here. Pf is equal to Df, that is equal to 300 mm. Look at this, Pf and Df is equal, both are 300 mm, and then here Bf is equal to 80 mm, that's the height. B to F is called 80 mm, and then radius is given. First R1 is 150, and then R2 is equal to 200 mm. So small m is called here 10 kgs, and bigger m is called here 100 kgs is given. Okay, so these are the given data. మనకి ఈ పిక్చర్ డ్రా చేయటం వస్తేనే ఆటోమేటిక్గా ప్రాబ్లం సాల్వ్ అయినట్టే. అయితే మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక్కొక్క పిక్చర్కి డిఫరెన్స్. ఇక్కడ ప్రోయల్ గవర్నర్ అయితే బాల్ వచ్చేసరికి ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది, అదే మనకి పోర్టర్ గవర్నర్ అయితే బాల్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఇన్స్టెంట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఉంటే అది పోర్టర్ గవర్నర్, సమ్ ఆఫ్ హైట్లో ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ప్రోయల్ గవర్నర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ది పోర్టర్ గవర్నర్ అండ్ ప్రోయల్ గవర్నర్. సో Now here how to solve this thing. So first of all, let us find the minimum and maximum speed of the governor. So the minimum and maximum position of the governors is here. Okay, so this is called maximum position. Okay, this is minimum position, this is maximum position B. Okay, now see here, let N1 is equal to minimum speed when radius of rotation R1 is equal to Fg, that is equal to 150 mm. Okay, and from figure A we find that and then here also we are going to N2. Okay, so N2 is maximum speed when radius of rotation R2 is equal to Fg is 200 mm. Okay, so then ఇప్పుడు ఫిగర్ ఏ నుంచి మనం H1 ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలో చూద్దాం. H1 is equal to Pg. See here, Pg, that is called H1. So we are going to take this triangle. Okay, we are going to take this triangle PGF, and we can write this thing is Pg square is equal to Fg square minus Fp square. Okay, so then I am going to write here directly Pg is equal to whole square of Pf square minus Fg square. Pf Fg. So this is the triangle. Okay, now substitute the values in here. Root of 300 square plus 150 square, that is equal to 260, that is called 0.26 meters. Okay, so then this is the H value, and Fm is equal to Gd, that is equal to Pg. So then this is called 0.26 meter. Fm, this is Fm. Okay, that is equal to Gd, that is equal to Pg. So we know Pg value, then here we can substitute this thing. So therefore Bm is equal to Bf plus Fm, that is equal to 80 plus 260. Why? Because Fm is equal to 0.26. Okay, right, and Bf is equal to B2F is equal to 80 mm. Okay, so then we substitute in here. So So that is equal to 340 mm. That is equal to 0.34 meter. So we know that n1 square is equal to Fm divided by Bm, m plus capital M divided by small m into 895 divided by h1. So this is the equation. So now here 260 divided by and Bm. So Bm is called here. Okay, we are going to convert into meters. So we take this, all those things are in meters. So 0.26 divided by 0.34. And then 10 plus 100 divided by 10, 895 divided by, and here we find it Bm. Okay, we substitute in here Bm value also. And then now h1, this is called height h1. So what is coming from here? 0.26. Okay, now calculate this. We will get the answer here 28.956, or n1 is equal to 170 rpm. Okay, this is 28,000 something. Okay, like that you can solve this the problem. In here n1 is over, and then we are going to see now second picture. Okay, this picture. Okay, this is the main important thing, formula for this. Here is only one change is there, proell governor and Porter governor. Porter governor is not come this thing. In proell governor it will happen in here because of this is the F M and B M. Okay, so Fm divided by Bm. So it will come this line. బాల్ అనేది మనకి ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి పోర్టర్ గవర్నర్లో మనకి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్లో ఇది రావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, and so next we are going to consider this second thing. Here we are going to find out n2 value, similar procedure. Okay, there is nothing to happen here. Also we are going to find h2 first, and then we are going to Bm value. That's the thing. Okay, so okay, now figure B, we are going to consider the height h2 is equal to Pg. So that is equal to square root of Pf whole square minus Fg whole square. And then now here substitute the values. 300 square, Fg is 200 square, that is coming from 2 to 4 mm, and then that is called 0.22 meter. So now we are going to consider Fm is equal to Gd. Okay, and that is equal to Pg. So then the value is 0.224 meter. Same previous problem like Fm, that is equal to Gd. Gd is equal to Pg. Okay, that is called h2. And then now we are going to see here Bm value. So Bm is equal to Bf plus Fm, and then here substitute the values in here. Bf is equal to 80, that is never change, and now here 224, and final we will get 304 mm. So that is the thing point 034 meter. Okay, now we know that n2 square is equal to fm divided by bm into m plus capital M divided by small m into 895 divided by h2. So substitute here the all values in here. What happen, we'll see. Like this. Okay, so then we will get the final answer in here is coming from 32,385 approximately. N2 is equal to 180 rpm. Okay, square, you can square this 180 rpm. So now we are going to see a range of speed. So range of speed, that is equal to n2 minus n1, and then that is equal to 180 minus 170, that is equal to 10 rpm is the range of speed. Okay, the example may also be solved discussed below. We find something values for alpha, beta, and then also we can do these things. Okay, from figure A, you're going to see in here A, figure A, that is equal to alpha is there. So sin alpha is equal to sin beta, that is equal to 150 divided by 300. Okay, so here I am going to write from figure A how to find the angles. Okay, so sin alpha is equal to sin beta, but not required in this problem, but we should know how to solve these angles. So that is called 0.5. So our alpha is equal to beta, that is equal to 30 degrees. We need alpha means sin inverse of 0.5. Sin inverse of 0.5 is same. So that's the thing is coming from here. Alpha is equal to beta, that is equal to 30 degrees is over. And then now MD is equal to FG, that is called 150 mm. MD is equal to FG, so that is called 150 mm. Okay, so then here I can write meter. So FM is equal to FD cos beta, that is equal to 300 cos 30 degrees, then here 260 mm, that is called 0.26 meter. And then now we are going to see IM. IM is equal to FM tan alpha. So then 0.26 tan 30 degrees, that is equal to 0.15 meter. And now BM, so that is equal to BF plus FM. These all values are coming from here. So look at this. I find the unknowns. First FD, you can see FM, sorry, FM. This is FM. Okay, FM, we know the angle and we know the distance. So then here we put it like this. Okay, FM is equal to FD cos beta. FD cos beta, right? And then now here IM is called, this is the IM distance. So IM distance, you can take this alpha, and now this is the distance. Okay, this is the distance is called H1, so that is called PG. So here FM divided by IM tan alpha. So then here we put it tan alpha, and now here BM. So here BM, where is BM? Here to here is called BM. Here is B and here is BM. So that is the meaning of BF divided by FM. the BF divided, not divided, so sorry, BF plus FM. Okay, this plus this. Okay, now here I am going to substitute the values. So 80 plus 260, then it will come 340 mm, so that is 34 meter. Okay, and now we are going to see ID link. So where is ID? So this is coming from I into D. Okay, so this link we are going to see in here, IM plus MD. So the distance is called here IM plus MD. So IM is equal to 0.15 plus MD is equal to 0.15. So then here we got it 0.3 meter, like that. So now we know centrifugal force Fc is equal to m into omega 1 square into r1, and then that is equal to 10 into 2 pi n by 60 whole square into r1 is called here, I have to rotate 0.15. so this is one, you can take one. So then we don't know the unknown value in here is only n1. Okay, so then you can solve this entire this thing. Okay, so we will get the answer for n1 rpm. And similar method, now we are going to see Fc into B m, that is equal to m into G into Im plus m into G by 2 into Id. Moments, taking moments. Okay, taking moments from I. We are going to see taking moments I. This is Fc. So Fc is coming from I, is the height. Okay, now this is the total distance, perpendicular distance. So that is called Bm, B to M. And then now we are going to see W. So this is small w. So this small w is coming from into Im. And now here is capital W is there, so that is called here distance ID. Okay, so mg, capital M into G by 2 into ID. This is the moments, taking moments. Okay, I can write here taking moments about I. So point I దగ్గర మనం moments తీసుకుంటే it will come to this equation like this. And then now here substitute the all values in here. Fc is equal to 0.0. Okay, then here we are find out only Fc. Okay, so Fc is equal to, we will get the answer with relation of 165 n1 square. So take this is equation number 1. From equation number 1, the substitute Fc value in here, n1 square, okay, into Bm. Already we know the Bm value. You can substitute this here also, we find out the Bm. And M is 10, G is 9.81, and Im. So look at this, Im is 0.15 plus capital M is 100 into 9.81 divided by 2 into ID is 0.3. Okay, and then here you can solve this. You will get the only the value is coming from here, unknown is n. So we find out n 170 rpm. Okay, so similarly maybe calculated by n2 also. So ఇదే విధంగా మనం n2 కూడా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి, దిస్ ఈస్ ద అనదర్ మెథడ్ టు సాల్వ్. Okay, range of speed n2. Okay, okay, right. So this is another method. You can using mechanism, you can solve like this also. You can find first angles, and then you can find all unknowns here, distances Im, Id, and Fy, Fm, Bm, all those things. Okay, you can know, once you know the angles, you can find out all the angles in here. Distances, all distances we find, and then take the moments about fixed point here. Instantaneous method, you can take fixed point in this. we take the moments, all forces, and then we will get the answer. Finally we will get the answer for here. Okay, so this is the another method. Okay, in next class we are going to discuss about some another governor. Thank you.